Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Weekcard at Walmart. First, start by searching for the item you want to purchase. Let's use milk as an example. Click on the item and scroll down on the product page. Look for the label that says SNAP eligible. If the item is SNAP eligible, it usually means you can also purchase it with your Week card, since they cover similar items. You can repeat this process with any other item you're interested in. Just check for that SNAP or Week eligibility tag. Once confirmed, add the item to your cart. During checkout, select your preferred payment method, including your Week card, and choose whether you want pick-up, delivery, or shipping. Then, just follow the prompts to complete your order. And that's it. That's how to use Week card at Walmart. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.